Hi everyone, welcome you all to BTech Buddies platform. So in this video, we are mainly focusing on how to apply for the job opportunities offered by the TCS in the TCS Next Step web portal. Okay, so for that purpose, we need to go to the Google and search for the TCS Next Step official website. So let me introduce about the TCS Next Step before going to TCS Next Step web portal. So TCS Next Step is a web portal offered by TCS for newly graduated freshers to simplify the process of getting a job in TCS. Okay, so here if you are interested in getting a job in TCS, you have to register yourself through TCS Next Step portal. So for that purpose, you need to click on the TCS Next Step, which will redirect you to the official website of TCS Next Step web portal. So for that purpose, here I am searching in the search bar TCS Next Step web portal. So and click on the search button. So when you click on the search button, which will redirect you to the official website of TCS Next Step web portal, which is displayed at the top. So next step Tata Consultancy Services, which is nextstep.tcs.com, which is official website of TCS Next Step web portal offered by the TCS company. So for that purpose, you need to click on the official website, which will redirect you to the home page of official website TCS Next Step web portal. And to apply for the drive offered by the TCS, first of all, you need to register an account in TCS Next Step web portal. So to make an account in TCS Next Step web portal, you need to click on the registration button. So make sure that before you get login into the system to apply for the job opportunity offered by the TCS Next Step web portal, you make sure that you have created a registration in TCS Next Step web portal. And for that purpose, here you need to click on the register now button, which will redirect you to registration form. So when you click on the register button, you will be getting like this: select category. So please note that the TCS Next Step initiative is available in the India geography. Applications from other countries will not be taken into the account. Okay, so here you will be having two categories. One is IT category and another one is BPS category. Based on your category, you need to select particular button and you need to click on proceed to get completion of the registration. So here I have already done with the registration, so I am not going to explain you clearly. So I am not going to click the IT button to enter the details. So I am going back and explain how to apply for the drive examination. Okay, so if you are belonging to the information technology, you please click on the IT and give certain details. And if you are belonging to the BPS, please click on the BPS button and give certain details and complete your registration form before you log in into the TCS Next Step web portal. So let me move on to the back and I will explain you how to apply for the drive offered by the TCS in the TCS Next Step web portal. Now we have done with the registration. If you are the new user, you please complete the registration. I have already done with the registration, so I am proceeding with the login to the TCS Next Step web portal. Here you will be having different options: alerts, campus commune, TCS bus, help and support, and login. So you need to click on the login button to apply for the job opportunities offered by the TCS Next Step web portal. So let me click on the login button. Yeah, when you click on the login button, you will be displaying like this pop-up message. Only for the registered candidates you can log in, otherwise you cannot log in into the TCS Next Step web portal. Or otherwise, if you are the new user, so here also you will be having the option to go to the registration page through the register here link. So if you have not done registration, you please click on the register here and complete your registration before you get login into the TCS Next Step web portal. Okay, so here I have done with the registration process. So I have mail ID and password. If you have completed with the registration, you will be having the mail ID and password. So using that mail ID and password, you need to get login into the TCS Next Step web portal to apply for the job opportunities offered by the TCS. So let me enter the password and mail ID. So I am clicking on the login button. Yeah, so when you click on the login button after entering your password and mail ID, you will be getting like this: welcome aboard on TCS Next Step portal. Okay, so you will be getting like this. Here in this page you can apply for the drive. So first step is completion of the registration form, and after that you need to give the entire details regarding the drive. So for that purpose, here you will be having the application form. So here I have already given the details regarding the drive examination so offered by the TCS. So here I am getting edit application form. So if you are not applied for the drive, you will be getting here only the application form. Okay, so and after that, here you will be having four different type of options: home, help and support, change password. If you want to change the password, you can click on the change password. And if you want to contact with the helpline numbers of TCS Next Step web portal, you please click on the contact us, and there you will be getting the contact numbers which you can contact with them and you can clear your doubts. And after applying for the job in TCS through this website, you can click on the logout button. Okay, so let me explain you how to give the clear details to apply for the job, to apply for the drive. So here you will be getting the application form if you have not applied for the drive. So when you click on the application form, you will be redirected to enter the different type of details, different type of forms. So let me click on the edit application form. I will show you how it will be looking like, what are all the forms you need to enter the details. Okay, so wait a minute, it's still loading. So after entering the details, you need to ask for preview your application details. So and make sure that while you are entering your details, you need to enter very carefully, clearly and correctly. Okay. So when you see that is there any error in the application form details, you please click on the particular form and you can also edit there. Don't worry. So let me show you clearly. It's loading here. Wait a minute. So as it is the website used by many of the applications people. So wait a minute. Yeah. So the web portal is opened here. Personal details, academic and work experience details, other details, application form preview and declaration. You will be asked to enter all these four forms. One is personal details, where you will be asked to enter all your personal details like permanent address and your mail ID and your date of birth and all you will be asked here. And after that academic and work experience details. And make sure that after entering the forms, you click on the save and continue button, which will save your details and which will move to the next form. When you click on personal details after entering all these details, you please click on the save and continue button. So which will redirect you back to the next form where you will be asked to enter the other details. And in such a way, you need to complete all these four forms: personal details, academic and work experience details, other details. And when you click on the application form preview and declaration details, you will be asked to preview your application form. Okay, so when you click on the application form preview, you will be downloading your application form. Yeah, like here. When you click on this, you will be having your application details, and make sure that all the details are clear and correct before you submitting the form. Okay, if there is any error, you can please click on the particular form and you can edit the detail and make sure that you have saved and submitted the form after editing. Okay, then only it will consider your edit, otherwise it will not consider. And make sure that finally you have done with all clear details and correct details. And finally you need to click on, if you have already written any TCS exam, and you need to enter your marks and date of examination and position of exam and final results, and you need to enter all these details here in the given text area. Okay, so here in the case of declaration, have you appeared for TCS? If you have appeared, you please click on yes, otherwise no. If you click on yes, you please enter all the details here. Okay, and all the terms and conditions read very carefully and finally click on the agree button. Okay, so here you need to enter your place, and our date will be considered automatically based on your application date, and submit application form. When you are done with all the details clearly and carefully, you please click on the submit application form so that it will be submitted. So let me click on submit application form here. So when you click on submit application form, the form will be submitted to the TCS Next Step web portal. Okay, which will be considered for the exam. All the details must be clearly mentioned, guys, and be careful about the mail ID and phone numbers and names. They will consider very strictly all these details, all these credentials. Okay, so like in this way, you need to clearly enter all the forms, and after submitting the form, you can download your application form here. You can click on the download application form. If you have chosen the mode to write the exam in exam centers, you need to take this application form to the exam centers along with the any ID proof like Aadhaar card and all. Okay, so let me click on the back button. This is how we are going to apply all the details for the drive. So still we have not completed to apply for the drive. We have done with only the details, all the forms we have entered clearly. So let me explain you how to apply for the drive. So for that purpose, you please click on the back button, so which will redirect you to the back. So you need to go to the home page of TCS Next Step web portal. So here you will be having, so once you have done with all the application forms, you will be getting here edit application form. If you want to edit your application form, you can edit, you can click on this edit application form, or otherwise if you want to get the application form PDF, you can click on the application form PDF here and track my application. So you can also track my application. So here I have already applied for the drive, so I will be getting like this. If you are done with all the details and all the steps, you also will be getting like this. So applied for drive, yeah, I have already applied for drive. Still you have not applied for drive. I haven't explained you how to apply for the drive. Wait a minute. Application received. I have received the application today. Candidate registration. I have registered in TCS long time ago. So that time in 29/5/2020 when I have written the TCS NQT exam, I have registered in TCS. So it's showing the date 29/05/2020. Okay, this is how we are. After doing all the steps, you need to click on the track my details, guys. Track my application. Then only you will be getting. Make sure that you have applied for the drive. Okay, and check here activity and check here status. If there is applied for drive, you are applied for the drive. Okay, so let me explain you how to apply for the drive. Yeah, you need to click on the apply for drive. You have applied for recruitment drive. So here I have already applied for the drive. So it is showing that you have applied for recruitment drive. So if you have not applied for the drive, when you click on the apply for drive, you will be getting the options whether you are interested to write the exam in the exam centers or otherwise in the remote mode. So you need to select particular any one of the option, whether you want to write in the remote mode or otherwise you want to write in the exam center. Based on your option, based on your interest, you please select the particular option and apply for the drive. There you will be having the button to apply for the drive. Click on that, then you will be applied for the drive. So this is how you are going to apply for the drive. And after applying for the drive, make sure that track my application. So click on the track my application and track your application whether it is applied for the drive or not. Okay, so after checking the activity and status in the TCS application status, and log out your account in the TCS Next Step web portal. Okay, so this is how we are going to apply for the job opportunities offered by the TCS in the TCS Next Step web portal. So wait a minute, still it's loading here. So as it is the server may be the busy here, so many of the guys were using this website, so that's why it's taking somewhat time. Okay, so anyhow, this is for the job opportunities offered by the TCS Next Step web portal. And yeah, so it is for drive applied for drive. Finally, you check your track my application status applied for drive. So you need to get here applied for drive, application received. Application received also must be status must be positive. Yeah, candidate registration registered. All these status must be look like this: applied for drive, application received, and registered. And when you make sure all these status are good enough and correct, and you can log out from the TCS Next Step web portal. This is how you are going to apply for the TCS Next Step web portal job opportunities offered by the TCS. And thank you for further videos and MNC drive questions and further online examination. You please like, share, and subscribe our channel so that you will be getting the notifications from our team BTech Buddies. Thank you. Bye bye.